How to change account on Monopoly Go. So all you have to do is to go to your application, your Monopoly Go application, and it will look like this. So since we want to change your account, so on the upper right, you will see the three dash lines there. Tap on that. Now here you will see the settings option. Click on settings, and here you will see connect account. So since you want to change your account, you have to click on that, and you will now be given three options on how you want to connect your account. Basically, how to change your account. So you can actually disconnect your Facebook application there. The first option is to disconnect your Facebook application and then log into another Facebook application. I mean, to another Facebook account. And it will now create a new Monopoly Go account connecting to that specific Facebook account. The other way is to sign in or to change your account Apple via Apple, or you can play with your contacts. So just simply choose that one, and basically that is it. And that is how you change your account on Monopoly Go, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.